I want to say this, that Jesus tells us to put on the full armor of God. This is the sword, and without the sword, you can't fight against the devil. Without the word of God, you have no sword. The sword in your life is the weapon you need in your life. I'm going to say it again. The sword in your life is the weapon you need in your life. You need a full armor of God, right? Listen to this. Ephesians 6, verse 10. It says this, a final word, be strong in the Lord and in his mighty armor, putting on the full armor of God, so that you will be able to stand firm against the schemes of the devil. You need the full armor of God.